In front of me is INFINIX Hot 50, and today I would like to show you how you can check all specifications of this device. All you need to do is open Play Store and download this app called DevCheck Device and SystemInfo from Flare2 Developer. Not sponsored, by the way. When your app is ready, launch it, and thanks to it, learn all the information about your device's dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera, and sensors. Quick tip: when you go into dashboard, make sure to tap on all of those sections here. Not only because you will see all the informations, but also because by tapping on settings at the bottom right corner of each pop-up, you will get transferred to this section in your device's settings right away. It also works if you click on gear icons at the top right corners. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!